so delicious. Like, I'm so excited. Hey everyone, it's your girl Tambari here and welcome to my channel. Today I am going to make a Nigerian spin on chicken and waffles. The chicken recipe, I was inspired by one of my friends, Tutti Toots. Her name is Tutu. And then the waffle recipe was inspired by my mom's pancake recipe, which is pretty much how we eat pancake in Nigeria. I marinated my chicken drumettes, the drum from the chicken wings. I marinated it overnight, and basically I just marinate my chicken with salt, black pepper, and paprika. I have my notes here because, like I said, this is my first time with this recipe. So the wet batter, what I have is flour, milk, egg, and this is where Tutu's recipe comes in place. She adds suya pepper. That's exciting. I'm also going to add paprika, and then where I'm going to add my own little panaz is crayfish, because I am part Igbo and also from the south. I'm an Ogoni girl, and we use crayfish in almost all of our recipes. 1 cup of milk. Okay, then we have 1 cup of flour that I forgot to bring out. I'm running out of flour. Oh my god. I hope I'm gonna have enough for my waffles, because I did not plan this thing through. And we can't go outside because, you know, Koro, aka Rona, she's out there. And today is Sunday, so I know the grocery stores are going to be hella packed or not stocked. For the life of me, I really don't think I actually have enough flour to make my waffles. I'm gonna put like a tablespoon of each. Hopefully that works. So this is my, what is this? This is my suya pepper. I already have another video where I made, what did I make? I think I made beef suya tacos. So go check that one out. It's on my IGTV as well as my YouTube. It's about that much suya pepper. That's a lot. A whole bunch of paprika. The crayfish. Just a little bit of salt. I don't want this to be too salty. That's spontaneously or spur of the moment. I'm gonna add garlic to the liquid batter. I love garlic. And because this is the wet liquid, redundant, I'm gonna add just this already pre-minced garlic. Okay, so we have the liquid batter done. So just as my luck would have it, I've run out of flour. The flour that I have left is for my waffles. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to grind up some oats. Clearly I didn't prepare for this video. Clearly. I also eat a lot of oat milk fufu, so I might as well grind up a lot anyways. Actually, you know what? No, I'm really hungry now and don't have time to grind up a whole lot of oatmeals. Oatmeals? Tammy! Speak of the English very well. Come on now. Is about 1 cup of the flour. We're gonna add some more of the suya spice, so like right there, some paprika, black pepper. For the seasoning, it's pretty much like 1 tablespoon of each. Then we'll add bouillon cubes. Let's do just one it should be fine. Let's crush that. Feel crush? Oh no, sometimes they get really hard. A little part of me wants to add just a little bit of that crayfish so I can get the taste on the outside as well. So I'm just gonna add a dash. This is all an experiment, and I'm glad you guys are here to join me on this experiment. So just a little bit, that's like half the tablespoon. Or actually I put less because I got scared. We're just gonna put, I don't know, like maybe a 1/4 cup or so. And then we're just gonna mix that up. A little drumlet here, a little drumlet. You just pretty much coat the chicken, dip into the wet batter, and voila. And that's it. You put it in the oven at 325 degrees for 35 minutes. I'll do 35 minutes. So first up, we're gonna put the dry ingredients in. We have 2 cups of flour in here, 4 teaspoons of baking powder. This is what causes the fluffles. This is what causes the waffles to be fluffy and rise. So the liquid ingredients, we're gonna add 2 eggs. Okay, so we have the 2 eggs in here. We have about 6 tablespoons of butter that I melted. Just put that in there. So then we'll add 2 tablespoons of sugar. Let's give or take 1 3/4 milk. Vanilla will do about a teaspoon. Vanilla extract. This is pure vanilla extract. It smells like ice cream. Yum. We have a little bit of a whale formed in the flour mix. All we're going to do is pour the liquid ingredients in there. You don't want to overmix. It's gonna be a little lumpy. What we have here, which is chopped up onions and habanero. Fingers crossed that actually turns out well. Let me tell you one thing about me and making waffles. Making waffles gives me anxiety. I don't like to make waffles, especially at the hotels where they have the waffle area. I don't know, I just always feel so much pressure to make the perfect waffle, which means it doesn't spill over, which means it fills out the whole thing perfectly. You know, it's not too skinny, it's fluffy, it's golden, it's beautiful. And it's just so much pressure. I don't know why I feel that much pressure every single time. So making this right now, I'm just like, man. So it's not bad. It's actually not bad at all. Not bad. So I learned this thing from Martha's Squirt. She said if you don't want it soggy, you kind of go like this. Sorry, I'm looking over there because I can see myself in my monitor. Oh man, I did about like half a cup the first time around, and I did pretty much 1 cup. No, like over 3/4 cup, and it spilled over just a little. It's not too bad. And there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Chicken and waffles, Niger style. I already tasted some of the a bit of the waffles. It is lovely, lovely. Tastes so delicious. Like, I'm so excited. No, but the waffles, no, they actually like bang. It's got this even amount of spiciness to it that I feel like Nigerians would definitely appreciate. But it still has that waffle taste. And then the chicken. I'm gonna take a picture of this for the gram. Gonna add a little honey on this, and we're gonna have a little sweet and spicy Nigerian chicken and waffles.